So today, guys, I'm just doing an empty house tour. I just want to show you around my old place before I leave and give away my keys. I thought it would be cool to just film this part of it because I didn't really show it while I was staying here, and also I didn't want to show it while I was still living here. So because I'm leaving, and I was like, oh, why not? Why not just show you guys my empty house tour and take y'all through the place that I was staying in last year and this year. Let's go. Lego. Lego. I am gonna keep the talking very minimal in this video, but I am just walking down to my apartment and about to show you guys my place. Bye. This is just a reminder to turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Turn it on, yo! So I don't know if you guys remember, I took a video here once or twice, I don't know how many times, but I took a video here and this is basically what I was looking out at the garden. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Honestly gonna miss all of this work. Just J, it's just there. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, my full empty house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.